Hey guys, how are you guys doing? I hope you're all doing very well. My camera is acting a little funny, sorry. While I was opening all my PRs, I thought why not share with you guys, because I'm sure you guys love like these kind of unboxing videos, and I have a lot of stuff by God's grace, of course. So for those who don't actually understand, as a blogger, as a content creator, we of course have established ourselves in the industry in a way that the brands have noticed that we constantly create content, showcase different things to our audience, whether it's through Instagram, whether it's through YouTube, which is why they obviously want us to try more and more things. So it's not that these brands are paying me to show you these things, and I'm not even obliged to talk good or bad or anything, or even review or even talk about these brands, but they basically subtly, the PR companies just send out these new launches and different things for you to try, and if you like them, it's totally on you as a blogger, as a content creator, that if you like whatever is sent to you, then you basically bake content on it. And we also obviously how much makeup and how much skincare, how many clothes will we buy just to create content, right? Just to review or showcase. So this helps us also because it gives us products to try. So yes guys, I'm shooting in a very different space because I needed to show you this stuff on a table. So right here is all the recent stuff I've received this month. Actually, I will obviously try them one by one, but it's not easy to try everything all at once, so I obviously break it down and try and review these products, try out these products one by one. This is a huge PR unboxing. This is actually my first PR unboxing video, and I think I will do this more often. Every time there's a collection of stuff that is ready with me, I'll try and shoot it and show you guys. Anyway, so without further ado, this is my first PR unboxing video, and I'm going to show you guys what all I got in my PR recently. Let me close that door because it's annoying me. That's my daughter's room, and that's all the artwork that my daughter keeps doing. Anyway, the first package I received is a very interesting package. This is by this brand called Sugar Cosmetics, and they have actually launched this Goddess of Flawless BB Serum. So they sent me 2 shades in their serum. I like this packaging, it's very cool actually. This basically has 2 of their newly launched BB cream, sort of BB serums actually, not even creams because they're literally watery. I tried them out. So these are the 2 shades they shared with me, 27 Vienna and 32 Cortado, and I'll just show you guys one of these. Basically this is how the packaging is, and this is how the product is. I really like the packaging, it looks very premium actually. And it's a multitasking BB serum which hydrates, brightens and evens out skin tone, infused with natural skin loving oils. It has a natural coverage, it has a matte formula, and it's basically for brightening, and it's actually a very watery consistency, you can see, and you can just blend it like that. So I liked it. I'm all for natural makeup anyway, and I like doing a lot of natural makeup. So I think for a person like me, products like these come in really handy because I don't like to cake myself up with very heavy base products. So something like this, I'm definitely looking forward to trying this and maybe reviewing this, and if I like it, I'll surely share with you guys. Now the next one is actually a cord set from this brand called Corset Clothing. I actually love them. They make these very pretty classic linen cord sets, cotton linen cord sets. I actually have one of them already, and this I actually messaged them when I saw the new collection. I was like, okay, I love it, please send me one. I actually asked for it, so they were very kind enough. That's also a blessing when brands trust you that you will do a good job in terms of showcasing their product. So this is how the shirt is. So I ordered a beige color, of course, so it's a pant and shirt set, and I think the shirt is very oversized, so I'm looking forward to trying this. So this is how their products are, and they are amazing quality, they fit amazing, and I really like their stuff. So this is the next one. I love their cloth bags. I get so many of these cloth bags. They come in really handy to shop around. So basically this is the next one. It's by K Beauty. It's one of my favorite affordable high performance beauty brands. They have launched these 4 shades in their colored kajals, and this is basically Cold Star 24-hour lasting transfer proof, smudge proof 24-hour kajals. Basically this is what they've launched, enriched with chamomile and ceramides, so they look very nice. And in fact I tried it out. I love brown shades. They have They have blue, teal, brown and green. These are the 4 shades they have launched. And let me show you the one of them. It's okay. This is how the product looks like. And these are basically colored kajal pencils. You can use them as a liner, you can use them as a kajal, you can use it however, but these are so smooth. Look at the color. So they're very nice. I really like the formula and these 4 colors. Definitely using the brown more often. I'm more of a basic girl, so I love using browns, but I think for someone who likes to use colored kajal pencils, this is amazing. Their formula is amazing. K-Beauty also shared their eyebrow microblading pen. This is an eyebrow pen and eyebrow tattoo liner. So these are the 2 products they have shared with me. I love their brow products personally. They're very good. So this is how this pen is. This is the liner, and it has a very nice interesting tip, and it's like a walnut shade, which is also amazing. It's perfect for naturally doing your brows. Brown color is just the perfect color. And this is actually like a gel-like tattoo liner is what they call it. This is also for the brows, and this has got a fine tip, and this also is very nice. It's a subtle walnut color again, and very natural. So I really like their products. I'm looking forward to trying this for sure. This big bag right here is from Benefit Cosmetics. I'd actually gone and attended the launch of this skincare range by Benefit a while ago, and this packet has just been lying here. I'm going to actually do a detailed video on trying these products out, but I'm quickly showing you guys the 4 products that I got my hands on. You know, the Professional primer is one of the best primer out there. It is by Benefit and they're amazing. They have a very good range for pores. So now they've launched a Professional pore care range, which is ideal for me because I have a really porous skin. I have a lot of whiteheads, blackheads. So to cleanse your skin, so these are the 4 products that I have from their pore care range. It's such a fabulous range. I've tried these products once and I love them. The first one is the Makeup Get Clogged Pore Clearing Makeup Cleansing Oil. So this is how the bottle is. I'd recently tried it, so it's a little dirty. So this is like a cleansing oil. You can use it to remove your makeup, and just this will take off all the makeup that you have on you. Very smooth. You can see this is just wash. The next one is their face wash. This is the Pore Purifying Foaming Face Wash. This also is fabulous. It's a moussey formula. Like for deep cleaning, you can use the oil along with this foaming face wash, and it's really good. This is the star product right here. This is like a 5-minute quick facial. It's called the Speedy Smooth. This is like a mask for your skin. For 5 minutes you put this mask on your skin, and you know, you'll cleanse your pores, deeply clean your pores. So it's amazing. I've used this once and I loved it. I'm actually going to do this again. No one has the time to do proper facials, so these kind of masks are amazing. And then the 4th one is this moisturizer. This is also their Smooth Sip. It's a lightweight moisturizer for the pores especially. Again, very cute packaging. I love the packaging of this range only. Benefit is anyway one of my favorite brands, and when they launched this, I was like, I have to check it out. So this is the consistency of the moisturizer, and all the products are just amazing. So this is a range I'm certainly going to review and try out for you guys because I love good skincare. Then Nykaa has just launched Spanish Olives Bath range. I recently attended the launch of this. So of course, when you attend launches like these, you do get the products to try out. So this is the Wonderlust Spanish Olive range by Nykaa that has been launched. Very good. It smelled so good. This is the Spanish Olive Shower Gel, which is the first one from this range. This is the Body Milk. Look at the packaging, it looks really nice. And this is the Spanish Olive Body Lotion. So these are the 3 products from the Bath & Body range. I love good aromatic Bath & Body ranges, and I feel a good shower routine is so important for a nice relaxed start to the day. So I love products like these. I'm going to link this down below in case you guys want to buy all of this. I will link it down below. You know, all these brands keep running amazing offers. So MAC is currently running a spin the wheel offer. I'm not sure when this video will go live, Maybe by that time the offer will be over, but MAC keeps coming up with amazing offers and I'm blessed to be able to get products from MAC. I actually received 3 amazing products from MAC. One is a lipstick, one is a mascara, and this is the soft and gentle highlighter which I love. So I'll show you this first because I'm already using it and I love it. So one of the best highlighters from MAC. This is the soft and gentle. The consistency of this product is stunning. You can use it all over your face. It's a powder product, but one of those powder products that just looks so nice for a nice highlighted look. This is amazing. Then I have the MAC Stack mascara, which is also, guys, their mascara is amazing, and you know, best part is it's not a very big product, so it just fits in every size of bag. I'm always carrying the MAC Stack mascara. This is the mascara, really good. I love it. It just works very well on my lashes, and I don't have any makeup on, so I'm not sure how this will come out, but the MAC Stack mascara is amazing. I love it. Must have. If you don't have a good mascara, you should try it. And I love the size also. It's just the perfect pocket size mascara. Last is, of course, MAC's lipsticks are amazing. I already have a lot of them. This is in the shade Tropic Tonic. It's a very nice, subtle, bright and subtle shade, very nice pastely shade, which is amazing. And this is how this shade is. You can see it's a beautiful bright shade and it's really nice. So yes, MAC keeps running with offers. So they sent me these products, one of my favorite beauty brands. So yes, always blessed to get MAC products. It's The Ordinary again. You guys, if you remember when I started YouTube, I used to talk a lot about The Ordinary. So The Ordinary has sent me their hair serum. I have always used Ordinary skincare products. I still use them and I love them. But this is basically the multi-peptide serum for hair density. I've heard a lot about this. They've actually launched this in a mini size and I'm really looking forward to trying this because I really need volume in my hair. So this basically increases the density in your hair. And this is how the product is. This is a classic Ordinary packaging, and you can just put this on the roots of your hair. You know, in the night you can use this on the roots of your hair, and it will really help in increasing the density of your hair. And I've heard it's doing wonders to people's hair. So I'm really looking forward to trying this concentrated leave-in formula designed to support the scalp and give you thicker, denser and fuller looking hair. So yes, I'm really excited to try this. I think this will be nice. I love and swear by Ordinary products. So to be able to receive products from Ordinary is a dream. Same way it's a dream to receive products from MAC. Same way it's a dream to receive products from any of my favorite brands. So yes, this I'm looking forward to trying. Then Estee Lauder sent me some products, so I'm just going to show you guys. Again, it's a dream to receive products from Estee Lauder firstly, always. And I love a lot of their products, like the Advanced Night Repair is my favorite product for my night routine. So that is there. This is the Estee Lauder Perfectly Clean Foam Cleanser. It's basically a purifying mask. I'm yet to try it. It's for normal to combination skin. Every product from Estee Lauder is so good. I mean, I've never had any problem and they've suited me so well. They're so well designed. So this is the purifying perfectly clean foam cleanser that I'm looking forward to trying. And they sent me the Revitalizing Supreme. It's basically a youth power cream. So this also I should start. This is how the packaging is. This is the Supreme Youth Power Cream that they sent me. Firm, lift and nourish. So that's what the cream is all about. So I'll try it out and share with you guys. Then Elf Cosmetics, guys, oh my god, I love their products. So well priced, affordable and such high quality. So Elf Cosmetics has sent me this big box and I'm so excited because I love their products. And there are a bunch of products in this and it's such a good brand, affordable brand. So let me quickly show you. This is the Complexion Sponge Trio. These are the beauty blenders they've sent me and they're in all sizes. The big ones can be used for the face and the small ones for the eyes. Amazing. Then they've sent me their concealer. I'm really looking forward to trying this concealer out. They've sent me this brush. I love brushes, guys. This is a Flawless Face Perfection brush. This is the face brush that they've sent me. They've sent me a poreless primer, universal sheer with hydrating squalane. So this is a primer they've sent. I'm not sure. I'm gonna open it and try it soon, guys. They've sent me Instant Lift Brow Pencil. I love brow pencil with spoolies. So yes, definitely looking forward to trying this. This is their best-selling brow pencil in America. So yes, I'm looking forward to trying this. And the cutest eyeshadow palette. It's this bite-size eyeshadow cream and sugar palette. And look at the colors. They're just the most perfect colors. So yes, this is all that I got from Elf Cosmetics that I really need to start using and trying out. That's what's actually kept me very busy lately, guys. So a lot of products, a lot of things come my way, and I want to be able to share, review, and get a lot of content using all of this. So that is all coming up. But this was a quick unboxing of all the new stuff that has come in. So I actually have the last thing is this Earth Rhythm Lip Stack. It's basically lip scrub, lip serum, lip mask and lip balm. Oh my god, that's a lot of cute stuff, and the packaging is the most cutest thing I've ever seen. Look at that. So this is by Earth Rhythm. I've actually already used their tints and I really like them. So I'm looking forward to trying this also. It's such a cute packaging. That's the thing about PR packages, guys. You get such cute packagings. You're like, you fall in love with them and you don't want to throw them, but you have to. This is all that I received in the last 1 or 2 weeks. I keep receiving them, and as and when I collect them, I will share with you guys, because I'm sure this gives you a quick insight into what's come, what I'm trying, what I'm using. So yes, that's it. Those were all the PR packages I've received these in the last few weeks, and I will share more soon. And I will also share my reviews and try-ons of these products that are lying around here. I'm really gonna do more videos more often, so that you guys are also in tune with what is new, what is latest, and what's good and what's not. So yes, I really hope you guys like this video. Let me know which one you want me to review first and share with you guys. Let me know which one was your favorite, and let me know if you're using any one of these. I'm looking forward to trying all of this. I love all of these brands, and I'm again saying this, that I'm very grateful that I actually receive products like these. It's the years of hard work that we've put in as content creators. We've invested so much money into buying a lot of products, reviewing them, trying them out. It's why that brands trust you with their products. So yes, guys, I'm very looking forward to trying them, and I hope you like this video. We'll be back soon with another video. Bye guys, thank you for watching.